Hello everyone, welcome to the Excel series. Are you the one who is still using mouse for everything in Excel? What if I told you that just 10 keyboard shortcuts could save you hours of work every single week? Whether you're a student preparing for placements or already working in an office, these shortcuts will help you work faster and smarter. And here's something special for you. I have saved my favorite bonus shortcut for the end of this video. It's a shortcut that many Excel users don't know, but once you learn it, you'll use it almost every single day. So make sure you watch until the end. Let's get started. So to demonstrate these shortcuts, I'll use this employee sales data. If you're following along, you can use only Excel sheet or create a simple table like this. So let's begin with the most important shortcut, that is save Control plus S. Whenever you're working in an Excel, the first habit you should develop is saving your work frequently. Instead of clicking on the file and then clicking on the save, just simply press Control plus S. That's it. It saves your workbook instantly. I personally press Ctrl plus S every few minutes because you never know when a power cut or a system crash might happen. So just go with Ctrl plus S to save your file. And then coming to the next shortcut, that is Ctrl plus C for copying any data set. Now suppose I want to copy this data. I will just select this table and then click as Ctrl plus C to copy. If I want to paste it in the same sheet, I'll select the space where I want to paste and then click Ctrl plus P to paste the dataset. If I want to paste it in the same sheet, I will paste it here. If I want to paste it in the next sheet, I'll choose the next sheet and then just paste. If I want to paste it in the new workbook, I'll open the new workbook and select the cell where I want to paste it and then just press on Ctrl plus V to paste the data. So this is how you copy and paste. Just Ctrl C for the copy and then Ctrl V plus pasting the data. Coming to the fourth shortcut, that is for undo, that is Ctrl plus G. Everyone makes mistakes. Let's say I accidentally deleted this row. Oops. Instead of worrying, I'll press Ctrl plus G, and just like that, Excel restores everything. Ctrl Z is our best friend whenever something goes wrong. So, what is Ctrl plus Y? So, this one we'll use it for the redo. What if I actually wanted that row deleted? I'll just Ctrl plus Y. This replaces the action, you just undo it. So undo is for the Control Z and Control Y is for the redo. Now you got the difference between the Control Y and Control Z. So Control Z is for the undo and Control Y is for the redo. Now coming with the shortcut number 5, that is Control plus A. We'll use Control plus A to select entire data. Imagine working with hundreds or even thousands of rows. Dragging a mouse isn't practical. So instead of that, just press wherever your cursor is, just press Ctrl plus A to select the data set. The entire table will get just selected within the a click. Just if you are selecting it like this, you don't know till where your data set is there. For that, just click on Ctrl plus A to select the entire the data set where your the data is present. Now, it is very quick, simple and professional. So we are halfway there. The bonus shortcut is coming up at the end of the video. And it's honestly one of the most useful shortcuts I use in Excel almost every day. So let's continue. Coming with the shortcut number 6, that is for Control plus B, that is the bold. Let's make this sheet look more professional. I'll select the header now. Now I'll press Control plus B for uh, for highlighting the header. Notice how the heading instantly become the bold. For example, let's do it for this row. I just selected where I want to highlight the row, and then I just press on Control plus B for making it highlight as to bold. Small formatting changes like this make your spreadsheet much easier to read. So going further, shortcut number 7, that is Control plus arrow keys. Now here's a shortcut that saves a lot of time. Instead of scrolling all the way down, just hold Control and just press the down arrow. See that Excel jumps directly to the last row of the data. Now I'll press Control plus up arrow back to the top instantly. Now you got to know how you should use the control down arrow and then control up arrow. Now we'll see the control right arrow. So you can also use the control with the left and right arrow keys to move across the columns. In simple way, control plus right arrow or control plus left arrow will help you to move through the columns. If you use control plus down arrow, it will take you through the rows. Now going further, the next shortcut is Control plus Shift plus arrow keys. This one is even better. Suppose I want to select the every employee name. I'll click the first name and then now I'll hold Control plus Shift and press the down arrow. Excel instantly select the entire list. Imagine doing this manually with thousands of rows. It could make you much longer. In just one click, just select the Control plus Shift plus down arrow or Control plus Shift plus up arrow. It will directly select you the list of entire data set. Now we'll go with the auto sum. So we know how to calculate the row or a column by using the sum function, right? So we'll use equal to sum and we'll just select the entire data where we want. So for any single click, just click wherever you want the sum. Just keep cursor there and then alt plus equal to. See, it will automatically insert the sum formula. Just press enter and your total is ready. We'll see for the next column, that is for target. Go here and R plus equal to helps you to retain the sum formula. So in one click, which is quick and easy for uh, adding the rows or the columns. And now going with the next shortcut, that is to edit the cell. So let edit this employee's name without the mouse and without like clicking on the double click or not going with the formula bar. I want to edit this employee's name. So for the keyboard function, we simply press F2. Now you can edit the cell directly without touching the mouse. So I just want to add or I just want to delete the name or the edit this as a Sharma G. This is easy way for clicking. In one click, I will edit the cell. This shortcut becomes incredibly using when you're working with a lots of data. Now coming with the bonus shortcut, that is uh, as I promised, that is Control plus Shift plus L. Instantly Excel applies filter to your data set. Control plus Shift plus L. It is easy, right? Not required to select the data and go into home and then go into the sort and filter and applying filter. It is easy that clicking on Control plus Shift plus L. Now need to filter only the sales department. Just click on the filter and select the sales and choose. Done. Need all the data back? Then just for removing the filter as well, Control Shift plus L. Easy, right? This shortcut is one of the most favorite because almost every office spreadsheet uses filters. For applying shortcut is Control plus Shift plus L, and removing the filter is as well Control plus Shift plus L. So here are the 10 shortcuts for today, and I hope you got it how to use them. So let's quickly revise today's shortcuts. That is Control S plus save, and Control C for copy, and Control V for paste, and Control Z for undo, and Control Y for redo, and Control A for select all, and Control B for bold. Control plus arrow keys is for jump across data, and Control plus Shift plus arrow keys is for select large data sets, and R plus equal to is for sum up, and F2 is for edit, and Control plus Shift plus L is for filter. So here's a today's challenge. Open Excel and try using all the shortcuts without touching your mouse. Then come back and tell me in the comments like how many of these shortcuts did you already know? Was it 3, 5 or all 11? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel because this is just the beginning of our Excel series. In the next video, I'll show you 10 more Excel shortcuts that professionals are very every day to work even faster. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.